October 3rd. 2021, before sunrise, the thin crescent moon is in the eastern sky, to the lower left of Regulus. After sunset, the planet pack, evening star Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn, shine brightly. Chart caption, 2021, October 3rd, 1 hour before sunrise, the thin lunar crescent is 4.7 degrees to the lower left of Regulus. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:50 a.m. CDT, sunset, 6:28 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Morning sky. Before sunrise, the lunar crescent, 11% illuminated, is about 1/3 of the way up in the eastern sky. The lunar slice is 4.7 degrees to the lower left of Regulus, the Prince. The celestial lion is facing upward at this hour and toward the west. The constellation is outlined by a backwards question mark of stars, the sickle of Leo, and a triangle. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2021, October 3rd, after sunset, Venus is low in the southwest, 6.6 degrees to the lower right of Chuba. The bright planet pack, Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn, is visible shortly after sunset. Look to the southwest about 45 minutes after sunset, Venus is over 9 degrees up in the sky. It is approaching the head of Scorpius. The brilliant planet is 6.6 degrees to the lower right of Chuba this evening. In less than a week, Venus, the Moon, and the 3 stars of the Scorpion's head are bunched together in a rare gathering of the 5 objects. Chart caption, 2021, October 3rd, Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeastern sky after sunset. Fomalhaut is to the lower left of the Jupiter. Farther eastward, bright Jupiter is over 20 degrees up in the southeast. After Venus sets, 104 minutes after sundown, Jupiter is the brightest star in the evening sky, followed by Arcturus, Vega, Saturn, and Capella. After Venus and Jupiter, the other stars this evening do not seem so bright. Jupiter is over 10 times brighter than Arcturus. Vega, Saturn, and Capella have nearly the same visual intensity to our eyes. Saturn is 15.7 degrees to the upper right of Jupiter. Both planets continue to retrograde in Capricornus, the illusion of westward motion compared to the starry background. This is from our faster moving planet moving between these planets and the Sun. The distant stars form a distant background. During the first few weeks of autumn, locate the star Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish, over 20 degrees to the lower left of Jupiter. Find it later during the evening. The star is the 13th brightest star visible from the mid-northern latitudes and the 17th brightest from anywhere on our planet. Saturn is in the south about 2 hours after sunset. Jupiter follows about 90 minutes later. This giant planet duo sets in the southwest after midnight. Detailed daily note, 1 hour before sunrise, the crescent moon, 26.4d, 11%, nearly 26 degrees up in the east, is 4.7 degrees to the lower left of Regulus, Alpha Leo, m equals 1.3. About 45 minutes after sunset, brilliant Venus is over 9 degrees up in the southwest, 6.6 degrees to the lower right of Chuba, and 14.0 degrees to the lower right of Antares. Farther eastward, Saturn is nearly 26 degrees up in the south-southeast, 15.7 degrees to the upper right of bright Jupiter. The Jovian giant is nearly 24 degrees above the southeastern horizon. 2 hours after sunset, use a binocular to spot Upsilon Cap, 1.4 degrees to the upper left of Saturn. The ringed wonder is approaching the meridian, about 29 degrees above the horizon. Jupiter is over 30 degrees above the south-southeast horizon, 3.5 degrees to the lower right of Mu Cap, 1.8 degrees to the upper right of Deneb Algedi, and 1.5 degrees to the upper left of Nishira. Notice Fomalhaut, Alpha PSA, m equals 1.2, nearly 11 degrees up in the south-southeast and about 23 degrees to the lower left of Jupiter.